You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video I'll show you how to manage time on your Apple Watch. There are a few different ways to go about it. Some involve the actual time settings, and others are more about how time is displayed on your watch face. Let's break it down so you can choose what works best for you. If you want to adjust the time slightly ahead, open the Settings app directly on your Apple Watch and tap into the Time section. Here you can add a few minutes to the current time. This only affects what you see on the watch face. It doesn't change your actual alarms or notifications. Personally, I don't really see the need to shift the time forward, but if you prefer that old school trick of running a few minutes fast, the option is there. Now, if you're looking to change the full time, including hours, that has to be done through your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Date and Time. You can turn off the automatic setting and choose a different time zone manually. I like to keep it set to automatic so that when I travel, the time updates on its own. It just makes life simpler. Lastly, if what you're trying to do is change how the time looks on your watch face, that's easy too. Press and hold on the watch face to enter edit mode. From there, you can swipe through the customization options and choose different fonts or layouts to display the time exactly how you like it. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Apple Watch tips. See you later.